Have you ever wondered how to design a Japanese-inspired garden? Welcome to the serene world of Japanese gardens, where minimalism meets nature and balance reigns supreme. This tranquil beauty is within your grasp. Designing your own Japanese-inspired garden is easier than you might think. First things first, start with a plan. Planning is vital in shaping your Japanese-inspired garden. Choose a location that complements its size and style, considering existing landscape, sunlight, and soil conditions. Remember, a well-thought-out plan is the key to a successful garden. Next, choose the elements you want to incorporate. The beauty of a Japanese garden lies in its balance. Every element, be it the soothing water features, the steadfast rocks, the vibrant plants, or the charming ornaments, plays a vital role in creating this balance. Water brings tranquility, rocks represent endurance, plants add life, and ornaments provide a cultural touch. Each component interacts with the other, forming a harmonious blend. Choose your elements wisely, as they will set the tone for your garden. Once you've chosen your elements, it's time to arrange them. Think of this as composing a serene symphony of nature. Balance and tranquility are key. Play with the elements and their placements. Embrace the concept of hide and reveal. Craft pockets of mystery that remain hidden until one ventures deeper into the garden. This adds a sprinkle of intrigue and a dash of discovery to your Japanese-inspired garden. Remember, the arrangement is just as important as the elements themselves. Finally, don't forget to maintain your garden. Regular upkeep is pivotal to preserve its aesthetic appeal. Pruning, cleaning, and replacing elements as needed ensures it remains vibrant. With regular maintenance, your Japanese-inspired garden will remain a tranquil retreat for years to come. And that's all there is to it. A simple plan, choosing your elements, arranging them harmoniously, and maintaining your beautiful Japanese-inspired garden. It's your turn to give it a shot and create a serene oasis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.